Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Pacer Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button right here. Once you press it, the menu will open, and once the menu opens, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Select the settings icon and then press the middle button to enter. Here, select the general settings and press the middle button, and now scroll down, find the Do Not Disturb mode option, and once you find it and select it, you can enable Do Not Disturb mode by pressing the middle button, selecting the on option and pressing middle button. And now the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. As you can see, the status changed to on. And to disable it, you can press the middle button, select off, and press the middle button to confirm. And now the status is off, which means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. And you can also make a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically at certain time and turn off automatically at certain time. To do it, select the Do Not Disturb mode option, press the middle button, scroll through the menu, select on with the time frame, press the middle button, then set the start time, basically on the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on. So first you can adjust the hour, then minutes, then you can press the middle button, then the end time, and once you're done, you have the schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, and it will be turning on and turning off automatically. Let me disable it quickly, so select off, and then once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.